them.
So, if you don't want to leave your family, I will file a lawsuit to you.
I guess I have no choice. I'm dead.
Leave me alone!
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manunood.
Mom, why is Dad not always going back home?
We decided to start your schooling at the university.
Why do you need to come back here?
Why did you have to come back?
Mommy!
I tried to be patient to this kind of life for the sake of our child. And now, you will say it's the end.
I already told you what the reason is. She said that she will file a lawsuit to me if you don't separate. Do you know what could be the possible reason that could happen if I not leave you? Our business is going down. Do you imagine what would happen? Our child!
You lied to me! You lied! You fool!
I'm sorry. I'll never forget you all. Our child, Lucila. I will never abandon our child, even if we are separated.
Don't you dare to touch my child!
Pick up Zara. We're going to your grandmother's house.
You see what happened? I already told you that you would get nothing on that kind of man.
I blame myself, Mom. You know what? I blame myself. Forgive me, Mom.
Imagine that you need to wait 6 years before you rely on. 6 years? It's a long time wasted. A long time wasted. So now, what do you think will happen in your life? What are you waiting for?
Oh, Mom. I want to change my life.
Mom, why those things are here? You are not allowed to live here. Starting today, you and your mom will stay on my house. But how about my dad? Just like what I have said, you stay here. He's gone.
Fresh like that, 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 fresh like
Study wet, this means I'm fresh. Summertime shawty, baby, pounds like a cat. Retro fitted with a hint up a that. I'm just doing what I do. But it messed up next where you can't wait it on. Middle of the stage, finna get my dougie on. Shawty had the pants look like they painted on. When you got names, they see me later on. Fresh like that, that's exactly what I am. Full finger ring looking like the dope man. Sorry, little man, that's how the story goes. Your girl say I'm her daddy, but this is the Maury show. Pat through my arm, yeah, I'm all sleeped up. Fresh like Dougie, finna get my brain up. Feeling like me, they feeling like the business. Dougie on point, fresh style. Fresh like that.
I can't find the reason. It's not your fault.
It's you.
Me?
You cannot go far away from us, I think.
I thought he's the right man for you.
How?
Fresh like that, 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 fresh like that.
Baby, why are you here? Let's go there.
Hello? What's that, man? Did you forget? Well, I think it is easier for you to move on.
He's my special someone from the very start.
Then, why did you choose that man over him? So what did you get from him? Nothing. And now, you search again for another burden to suffer again?
He's free and he has no wife.
How about the child?
She's not a hindrance.
When you wake up each morning and you feel like calling, I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside.
Mom, would my father return back home? Don't you dare to ask me again about your father. Don't ask him. If I'm not talking to you, don't talk to me.
What time did you intend to go back home?
Just take a sleep because we take too much time at the parties. There's a lot of servants here to help you, Mom.
Ma'am,
What is this?
a letter from Ma'am Lucila.
Thanks, you can go now. Oh, my dear child. She never learned her lesson. She elopes again. Don't follow your mom's mistakes. She's not contented.
When you wake up
Leave me alone!
and you feel
Don't you get
like
it?
calling,
Leave me alone!
I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there.
I try to be patient for this kind of life. For the sake of our child. And now you will say, it's the end. Lagi mo na Abdi para magkaroon. Dapat ikaw, Arnold. I already told you what the reason is. She says that she will file a loss. Ay, alam ko na. Para makita yun ni Arnold.
Natatakot na dyan siya.
Lalakad ka dito para makita niya, habang nakatalikod kang ganyan, yan, kasi iwan mo yung bata, para pag habang sinasabi mo yan, nababasa mo yun, ha?
Parang nakikita din kayo sa cup.
Hindi, ito lang naman.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Say hello.
Say hello. D1 ngayon, D1.
Bigyan ka na eh. Tingin ka dyan.
Why did you have to come back?
Lagay mo dyan.
Mga higirap.
Hindi ka nakikita, oh.
Ay, hindi ba kayo ito?
Ito, baliw.
Say hello.
Ay, naka-video ba?
Video ba?
Ay, video ba yan? Hello! Ben, nandito na ako sa TV! Winning! Congratulations!
Oh, sige, hoy, ano na? Jaira, hindi ka pwede dyan.
Ay, saan ako?
Lalabas ka. Shit, hindi na nakikita, promise.
Pasok ka ng mga kakain.
Saan na?
Pwede pasok kayo. Ay, dito na lang slide.
Hindi pwede, kasi may tumating siya eh. Ang pangit na yun. Hindi sila kailangan ng mga lakas na ano.
flashlight. Huwag ka maiilang sa ano, ito ah.
Masakit kayo sa mata.
Huwag ka nang maiilang eh.
Huwag ka maiilang. I can't imagine that you need to wait 6 years before you rely on. 6 years? A long time wasted! A long time wasted! And now, what do you think will happen in your life?
Oh, Mom, I want to change my life.